Elon Musk, the enigmatic entrepreneur behind Tesla, SpaceX, and a slew of other revolutionary ventures, is often heralded as a visionary. His journey to becoming a billionaire is a fascinating tale of relentless ambition, unorthodox thinking, and sheer determination. While many attribute Musk's success to his intelligence and work ethic, there's a secret strategy at the heart of his meteoric rise that sets him apart: his ability to leverage first principles thinking. Understanding first principles thinking. First principles thinking is a problem-solving technique that involves breaking down complex problems into their most basic, fundamental truths and then building up from there. Instead of relying on analogies and assumptions, which can be flawed or limiting, first principles thinking starts from scratch. It's about questioning everything and seeking to understand the underlying reality of a situation. Aristotle first introduced the concept of first principles, but Musk has turned it into a powerful tool for innovation. He explained it succinctly in an interview: boil things down to the most fundamental truths and then reason up from there. This approach has allowed Musk to reimagine industries and solve problems that others deemed unsolvable. Revolutionizing the automotive industry. When Musk set his sights on the automotive industry, the consensus was that electric cars were impractical, expensive, and had limited market appeal. Most car manufacturers were modifying existing internal combustion engine designs to create hybrid models rather than developing electric vehicles, EVs, from the ground up. Musk, however, applied first principles thinking to the problem. He broke down the concept of a car to its basic components and questioned the necessity of each element. Why couldn't an electric vehicle be more efficient and appealing? He realized that the key challenge was the cost and efficiency of batteries. Instead of accepting the high prices as a given, he sought to understand why batteries were expensive and how they could be produced more cheaply. This led to Tesla's development of advanced battery technology and the construction of the Gigafactory, significantly reducing costs and making electric cars viable for the mass market. Space exploration, a new frontier. Space exploration was another area where Musk's first principles thinking proved transformative. When he founded SpaceX, the prevailing belief was that space travel was the domain of governments and a few aerospace giants with prohibitively high costs. Musk challenged this notion by questioning why rockets were so expensive and whether they could be made reusable. By analyzing the materials and processes involved in rocket production, Musk determined that the cost of raw materials for building a rocket was only about 2% of the final price. He concluded that building reusable rockets could drastically cut costs. SpaceX's Falcon 1, the first privately developed liquid-fueled rocket to reach orbit, and the subsequent success of the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy demonstrated the efficacy of this approach. The ability to reuse rockets has revolutionized space travel, reducing launch costs and opening up new possibilities for exploration and commercialization. Solar power and sustainable energy. Musk's commitment to sustainable energy extends beyond electric vehicles. With SolarCity, now part of Tesla's energy division, he aimed to make solar power affordable and accessible. Again, first principles thinking was at play. Instead of accepting the high costs of solar panels and installations, Musk examined the cost structure and looked for ways to innovate and reduce expenses. By integrating the production and installation processes and developing more efficient solar technology, Tesla has been able to offer competitive solar solutions. The introduction of products like the solar roof, which integrates solar cells into roof shingles, exemplifies Musk's ability to rethink traditional approaches and create innovative solutions from the ground up. Neuralink and the future of human-machine interface. Neuralink, another of Musk's ventures, aims to develop brain-machine interfaces. This ambitious project seeks to merge the human brain with artificial intelligence, enabling direct communication between the two. The potential applications are vast, from treating neurological disorders to enhancing cognitive abilities. First principles thinking is evident in Neuralink's approach. Instead of building on existing rudimentary brain-machine interface technologies, Neuralink is developing novel solutions from scratch. By understanding the fundamental principles of neuroscience and advanced engineering, the company aims to create interfaces that are significantly more advanced than anything currently available. The broader impact of first principles thinking. Musk's use of first principles thinking has broader implications beyond his own ventures. It's a strategy that can be applied to any field or industry to foster innovation and problem solving. By questioning assumptions, breaking down problems to their core components, and building solutions from the ground up, individuals and organizations can achieve breakthroughs that were previously unimaginable. This approach encourages a mindset of curiosity and resilience. It requires the willingness to challenge the status quo and the persistence to seek out new possibilities. It's about envisioning what could be, rather than accepting what is. Conclusion: the secret strategy that made Elon Musk a billionaire is not merely his intelligence, work ethic, or even his visionary ideas. It's his relentless application of first principles thinking. By breaking down complex problems to their fundamental truths and reasoning from the ground up, Musk has redefined industries and achieved what many thought impossible. His story is a testament to the power of innovative thinking and serves as an inspiration for anyone looking to make a significant impact in their field. As we look to the future, the lessons from Musk's approach remind us that the greatest breakthroughs often come from questioning the very foundations of our assumptions and daring to think differently.